Welcome back. Perplexity does have the ability to read code and HTML files. For example, you can upload an HTML file and you can ask for changes to be made based on the file that you actually have. And so what you can do is you can request that Perplexity rewrite the HTML and to do it in a way so that you would be able to then cut and paste what Perplexity gives you into your new HTML file. We're then going to click enter. We're going to allow Perplexity to rewrite the content. We're now going to ask Perplexity to place the letter inside of HTML code. Code doesn't exactly fall into the same code as the file. So we're going to ask one more time. So what we have now done is we have now taken the HTML code. We have not only changed the content, we placed it in a way so that we can cut and paste into the HTML file. So Perplexity can work with your HTML and it can code depending on your level and knowledge of coding or language that you want to work with. Okay, so with that, thanks, and I will see you in another video.